Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to quick play in League of Legends. Quick play is a fantastic new mode designed to get you into the action much faster than before. It streamlines the game's start by letting you pre-select your champion and 2 preferred roles before you even queue up. This means less waiting and more playing, making it perfect for those who want to jump straight into a match without the traditional draft phase. It's all about efficiency and getting you into your desired role quickly. When you enter the quick play lobby, your first step is to select 2 champions you're comfortable playing. Following that, you'll choose 2 distinct roles, such as jungle and support or top and mid lane. It's crucial to assign one of your chosen champions to each of these roles. This system significantly increases your chances of playing a champion and role you enjoy, making every match more engaging and less about waiting for a specific pick. Once your queue pops and you accept the match, the system quickly confirms your assigned role and champion. You'll immediately see which of your 2 pre-selected options you'll be playing for that game. While the system prioritizes your primary choices, it's always good to be ready for either of your selected roles. This quick confirmation means you can jump straight into loading without the usual champion select phase, saving you valuable time. Quick play offers several fantastic benefits, including significantly shorter queue times, often just a minute or 2. This allows you to practice specific champions and roles much more efficiently. For the best experience, try to be flexible with your champion and role selections. Also, remember to communicate with your team once in-game. Sometimes a quick lane swap can optimize team composition. Embrace the speed and enjoy more games.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.